First, plug in the C81 into your PS5's USB-C slot. The dongle will automatically enter pairing mode. For subsequent use, manually enter C81 into pairing mode. Press and hold MFB until LED flashes blue and white. Next, get your headset into pairing mode. Keep them close together. After a few seconds, the C81 and the headset will connect. Next, go into your PS5's audio settings. Set the audio output device to USB headset Avantree C81. Make sure to turn off switch output device automatically. If you're using the headset's own mic, select USB headset Avantree C81 as the input device in the PS5's microphone settings. Insert the mini mic included in the package to the controller. And select Controller Headset in the microphone settings on the PS5. To get stereo sound when chatting, we recommend use Avantree FastStream headset. And select USB headset Avantree C81 as the input and output device in the settings. If others can't hear you clearly, you can adjust the microphone level in the PS5 menu. Go back to microphone settings and select Adjust Microphone Level. Use the slider to increase or decrease the microphone level to your preference. Now, you should be good to go. Thanks for watching.